Again, hands beside my friends, and make your legs apart a bit, about 1 meter gap, okay, or 3 feet gap, okay. Then inhale deeply, and then exhale. Make stomach in and empty your lungs maximum, okay. Then contract the muscles in, maybe tip of finger pointing in, then contract muscle, then make the muscles in and out, okay. Maximum times you can use, okay. You can reach into 50 times, 60 times, or maybe 100 times. Then raise head up, inhale. Stand up right, exhale. Make your respiratory system normal, and then ready to perform second round. Now inhale deeply. Inhale deeply, and then exhale. Exhale you can through mouth also, nostrils also. Make your lungs empty, then perform Uddiyana Bandha, contract muscles in and out maximum times. As you can see, try to make your hands straight, okay. Yes, the hands, we're taking the help, okay, to make our spine straight with the hands. Then inhale, center again. Exhale. Make your respiratory system normal, okay. We can perform the 3 to 5 rounds, okay. So I just perform 3 rounds for you. So my friend, this is the last one, okay. Last round. So inhale once again deeply, okay. Remember this time you can exhale through mouth also, nostrils also, okay. But if good practitioner, so try to exhale through the mouth. Or if you are a good more advanced practitioner, so you can exhale through the nostril. So empty lungs, perform Uddiyana Bandha, contract muscle up and in, and then make the abdomen muscles in and out maximum. As you can see, hands, the tip of fingers inward, and then do it. We have to hold breathe outside, then we have to do this. Now inhale, center, and please exhale. So my friends, like that we can practice the Madhya Nauli. Thank you so much. Namaste.